How's that taste, sweetie? Is that delicious? All right, you got brother some chips in there? Okay, good job. What's the chismes here going on, ladies?
We're planning about the marinade. What is the best ingredients for the marinade?
Okay, now I heard the words Magic Sarap. And when you said Magic Sarap, she started laughing.
Garlic with pepper powder, and then
get the Magic Sarap.
Yeah, the soy sauce and
So we got the soy sauce, right?
yeah.
Ang ayaw niya kasi yung vinegar.
Ay sus, ginuma ang gagmay. Yung kasi ang alam kong ano eh.
Ang ginagamit kong marinate, ano lang, kalamansi.
Oo, meron pa rin yun. Pwede rin, pwede.
Yung banana
May
ketchup.
kalamansi, yeah.
Yung banana ketchup.
Oh, it's okay.
Basta one.
They're conspiring against me.
He's watching us.
Masarap? Okay, take that mask off, sweetie. There you go, sweetie. All right, so check this pork that we're working with. We got that's the country style pork right there. Well, that's a pork steak. That's the country style. I call it the big thick bacon. Oh, those are thick. Those are thick like Fatima's derriere. All right, what we're gonna put in there, baby? Magic Sarap.
Oh, sige, give me a Magic Sarap.
I tell you what, why don't one of you ladies go to the Sorry store with me? Huh? All right. You know what? Good idea. Just make me a list. I don't want you ladies to go because I want to talk to my girlfriend at the Sorry store.
Oh my God.
Don't get jealous. No, her name's not Joy.
Ano tayong dalawa?
Washing.
Oh.
Sige na, go.
You didn't make a list.
Go, you can remember.
Okay, this is what it is.
Para alam natin yung ingredients.
Now see, folks, you can't get a word in edgewise when Filipinos are talking. Look. Okay, all I remember is garlic and talk to Joy.
Me and Apis go there, me.
Okay, we'll buy the ingredients for barbecue.
Okay, so you ladies can go, but you're gonna take them bottles back. That's a good idea. I don't want to hurt my back. How much of my money did you spend at the Sorry store? I gotta inspect this. I think there was some unauthorized purchases going on. Folks, when you get these Filipinos together, my goodness, look at all that. They were supposed to go for Joy and came back with all kind of stuff. Did you get the garlic? Did you get the garlic?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, good deal.
Garlic.
You got Joy.
Because I wash the dishes.
All right, awesome.
Then I need
What you got?
I need the pork barbecue.
You get the Magic Sarap?
Yeah, this is the magic.
Yeah. Fatima love the Magic Sarap.
This is my specialty.
Okay, you're gonna make the special marinade?
If I make pork barbecue, this is my ingredient.
Awesome, Dawn.
And then,
Magic Sarap.
Little pepper.
yeah.
No, like, 3 years
Alam ko,
ago.
bakit hindi naman tinagtad niya? Sabi ko, dog.
May garong naman yan din.
Man, why Filipinos always spending all my money?
Hoy, mamaya ako mag-bihis.
Bihis ka na doon. Ano ako tira ako para bukas. Ito ba?
Load them up, ladies. We riding Filipino style today. Maria, can Papa sit by you?
No.
Over there? Over there? My goodness. Okay, everybody ready? Here we go. A little bit of rain going on out of here, my friends. Rocking the Indian gear bag by Saddleback Leather. Barron's Pro pants by Fjallraven. These are a great pair of pants. My goodness, are they comfortable. We're going to see how long it takes them to dry in this here rain. And I'll just let the camera roll and show you what a rainy day looks like here. A good old Angeles City. Now, it didn't come with a big old gully washer. I mean, it just come a 5-minute rain stop and maybe a 2-minute rain stop. Now it's just doing a little sprinkling. If I got my crew loaded up, I'm gonna drop off wife number 8, and then gotta take Maria Mercedes to another dentist appointment. I got the whole crew. I told wife number 2 load up to 4th G, get the young man out of the house. It started raining. She said she didn't want to go. I said duly noted, but saddle up. You know, if it ain't raining, you ain't training. It's the Philippines. That girl's walked through a sugar cane field so many days in her life when it was raining, but when she, you know, starts living with a foreign dude, gets a little soft, don't want to walk, don't want to get out in the rain, gets spoiled, living with a rich dude. Know what I mean? I'm shooting on the GoPro today since it's raining. 4K. I think I'm at 60 frames. I'll have to check. We'll just let the camera roll on this little trike ride. Show you what it looks like on a rainy day. Anybody put a damn speed bump coming into the roadway is beyond me. But they're sure enough for several speed bumps coming into the roadway. Don't make no sense. Back of the aircraft. Since I can't shoot over to the starboard side real well. Well, I'll take a look over here. Jeepney Terminal. See what's happening, what's shaking. See if we can spot some new faces. And I asked the ladies the other day if they thought a bunch of tourists were here now. They said no, but to be honest, we are seeing a lot of new faces around here. There are some tourists here. So if you are a tourist here, Angeles City, welcome back. You just got home after 2 years, welcome back. I want to welcome everybody to Angeles City, here in the Philippines. Just past Margarita Station. And today is a, what the hell is today? Today's a Tuesday, folks. It's Tuesday around 1:30, somewhere in the afternoon. But you know, it comes a little rain, runs everybody off the streets for a while. I thought he was going to cut down the center of Walker Street, but now he's going to come down the back alley here past the custom bikini shop. Alright, got the Popo or an ambulance over there, one with it too. take a look up Walking Street. I couldn't even see because I'm turned around. I don't know if there's anything happening or not. Now, folks, Converge right there. If you're looking for internet here, that's the best internet in the Philippines from my experience. But if you rent a place, you got to sign a 2-year contract with them. If you're not planning on staying that long, just try to scope out a place that already has Converge. That's the internet I've used for the past few years. And it is on time. Kind of crazy. I got family in the States that live within an hour of a major metropolitan city, and their internet is barely faster than dial-up. It's like 1 meg up, 4 megs down, and they can't get anything other than well, they could get the HughesNet, which is horrible. Maybe they can get Elon Musk's Starlink, but through the cable company, phone company, whatever they got, they can only get 1 meg up and 4 megs down. And I'm over here rocking, before I was rocking 150 up, 150 down. Now we got like 100 up, 100 down with Converge. Man, this gentleman just took us on the tour. And nobody out on the patio. Hey, buddy. Right there, folks. Best place to eat, Angeles City. Tequila Reef. Right there. You want to know? It's a quick answer. Yes, there's a lot of outstanding food here in Angeles. Not taken away from anybody. But if you ask me the best place to eat, Tequila Reef. Not only can you, the foreign guy, get some great Mexican food, your Filipino can get some excellent Filipino food. So it's a win-win for everybody. Alright, Cialis Road. Got the gentleman selling the Cialis on standby there. Players out and about. Omnia Music Lounge. Happy birthday, Craig. sweetie. Can Papa sit by you here? Back there? Over there? Okay, sweetie. All right.